आयज सावन केरळच्या तिरुवनंतपुरमात गोवा एट 60च्या रोड शोक भव्य सुरवात जाली। गोंयच्या पर्यटनाक चालना दिवप, गोंयान केल्ली उदरगत आनी विकास लोकांक दाखोवप आनी गोंयाक उंचायेचेर व्हरप हो हेत अशें सरकार सांगता। गोवा पर्यटन उदरगत महामंडळान म्हायती आनी प्रसिद्धी खात्या वतीन ह्या रोड शोचे आयोजन केला।
The government of Goa is celebrating its 60 years of liberation from Portuguese regime and is celebrating through various roads. Recently we have organized road shows at Ahmedabad, Udaipur, Varanasi and Madurai, and now at Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala for 3 days from today. We welcome you all for this 3 days event at Mall of Travancore and request you to enjoy the culture and tradition of Goa.
So I request all the audience to come here. We are giving tour packages also from Department of Tourism, Government of Goa, sightseeing tour, river cruises, n number of options you will get. The packages are ranging between 6,000 to 19,000. I would request to come and inquire on the stall. We are there to help you all from the Government of Goa.